And hello everybody, welcome to new adventure on my channel. Today we will finally get a new lights. So the story begins with my dad's car. I ran out my gun year 2013, 1.5 DCI engine, and after a couple years of use this car start to breaking. First some small things, then some bigger things with gear, with DPF filter and stuff like that, and now finally the turbo or turbine is broken, and after that the clutch is broken, and after that the radiator is broken, and after that springs on back wheels are broken, and after that we have oil spilling on connection with motor and with the engine and shift gear, something like that. So a lot of brakes. So it's time to sell this car. And 6 or 7 months ago my dad spends a lot of money to get those Xenons. Actually at the time he liked them, and we will not sell the car with them. So I asked him, can I take this for my Scirocco? And he'll tell me, yeah, sure. And that was amazing day for me, because those Xenons costed around 300 euros or $280, something like that. So it's a really expensive set of lights, definitely. Now it's time to go to my electric to install those lights on my car. So I just take out the Xenons from my father's car, the Renault Megane, I think 3, something like that, and now I will drive my Scirocco to install those. So this is unexpected opportunity, because my dad's selling this car, and we will remove those lights before selling, because they are so expensive. And he told me, if you want those, just take them. And this is the happy day for me, because I save a lot of money. So now let's go install those lights on Scirocco. This is place of electrical, which works always on my cars. Amazing guys, definitely. As you can see, everything is too much complicated, and I'm sure I will never be able to install those. Definitely. I think I will need like a year to do this. So I finally have Xenons in my car after 3 hours and some spendings. It was not a cheap option, but we have now great lights on my car. So now I'm going home. And as you can see, those lights looks amazing, amazing thing. Now I'm so happy, and my car is looking like 10 times better than before. So next thing which you will be able to see on my channel is painting my wheels, after that polishing my car, after that fixing some mistakes on paint, after that putting lines with warps on in middle of my car. So there's a lot of amazing content which you will see in the future. Stay tuned. Till then, see you. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. See you!